What if I told you that you could go from 0 slides to a finished PowerPoint deck in under 60 seconds, without opening PowerPoint, without picking a template, without dragging a single text box? I'm going to show you exactly how, and by the end of this video, you'll never build a deck from scratch again. Give Claude this prompt. I'll put it on screen and link it in the description. I need a 10-slide PowerPoint.pptx format about your topic for your success criteria. Start by using the tool, ask user question, and ask enough context to get the full picture. Then, and only then, create the .pptx. Here's what makes this prompt powerful. You're not just saying, make me slides. You're telling Claude to interview you first. It's going to ask you clarifying questions. Who's the audience? What's the goal? What level of detail do you need? Before it builds anything. That means the output actually matches what you need instead of some generic 10-slider. And just like that, Claude drops a PowerPoint file right on the screen. Open it up in Microsoft PowerPoint or Google Slides. Make your edits, and you're done. That's the whole process. 60 seconds from prompt to PowerPoint. Instead of manually going slide by slide, changing backgrounds, adjusting text colors so everything's still readable, I'm just going to open Claude right here in the sidebar and prompt it to make the change for me. And watch! Claude goes through the entire deck and lightens up every slide. It swaps out the dark backgrounds, pulls in a clean white or light gray, and then, this is the part that would take you forever by hand. It goes through and adjusts all the font colors so nothing disappears into the new background. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, or subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Check out my suggested videos or check out what to watch next. Subscribe to the channel to never miss a new video.